This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rachel Kosmak. Beautifully updated 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom condo located in Towers of Port Royale. This is a private, guard-gated community. Split floor plan with tile floors throughout and modern lighting. Kitchen features custom cabinetry, stainless steel refrigerator and convection oven with microwave. The primary bedroom features an ensuite with a large walk-in closet with custom built-in shelving and drawers. Marina views from your balcony. Washer and dryer in unit. Resort-style amenities including library, gym, barbecue area, heated pool, tennis courts. Covered garage parking. Rent includes Wi-Fi, cable TV, water, sewer, trash, common area maintenance and security. Close to restaurants, shopping, local marina and beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Kosmak at 954-491-3100.